In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Klaviyo custom profile properties. This process is quite straightforward and useful, whether you're managing a small community or handling a large customer base. Adding custom profile properties can be invaluable for tailoring your marketing strategies to meet the unique needs and preferences of each individual. To get started, let's navigate to the Klaviyo interface. Once you're logged in, you'll want to turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main navigation panel resides. Look for the tab labeled Audience. This is your first stop. Clicking on Audience will open up a new set of options specific to managing and analyzing your audience data. Next, select Profiles. This section is essentially the hub that holds the detailed information of all your contacts. In this space, you're able to manage all sorts of data related to your audience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited this section before. It's where you'll do most of your work in terms of personalizing the information for each contact. Now, onto an essential part of this process: selecting a profile. Spend a little time scrolling through your profiles, and when ready, click on one. This action will bring up a detailed view of that particular profile's properties. It's here that you can see all the personal attributes, interests, or specific behaviors that you've already collected, and this is also where you'll add any new custom properties you wish to track. Once you're on the profile page, look for the option labeled Add Custom Property. This feature is user-friendly and quite powerful, allowing you to enter unique attributes that matter to your business. Click on this option, and you'll be prompted to define your custom property. For example, you could add attributes like favorite product category, membership level, or even something as specific as preferred shopping day. The goal here is to enhance your understanding of your audience so that you can engage with them more personally and effectively. And that's all there is to it. Adding custom profile properties within Klaviyo can significantly bolster your marketing efforts by enabling you to tailor communications and offers in a more personalized manner. It helps keep track of nuanced information that may otherwise be overlooked, ensuring your strategies are as relevant and engaging as possible. With these simple steps, you now have the tools to enrich your customer profiles and keep track of valuable information that'll enhance your engagement strategies. We hope you found this guide helpful and encourage you to explore all the features Klaviyo has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.